Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Apple mug. So it's porcelain from Japan. You can only get this mug from the Apple headquarters in Cupertino. They have a visitor center. So this is called the Mug Large Heritage Mug. All right, let's check this out. It looked really cool in person. Cool. So it's Hasami porcelain. Made in Japan. Cool. All right, moment you've been waiting for. Wow. Wow. This is very nice. Hasami porcelain mugs, Japan. Really nice. OG rainbow logo. Nice handle. Yeah, it's really nice. Cool. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Got more products I'll be unboxing from this Apple headquarters visitor center store in the upcoming videos. All right. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you all later. Later.